They just would like to be able to say goodbye or to hug somebody. So it was, you know.
Now at 11, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis right there overcome with emotion as he announces some nursing homes can now reopen to visitors. In March, the governor moved quickly to stop people from seeing their loved ones to help stop the spread of the virus. Tomorrow, the rules will be relaxed, but not everyone thinks it's a good idea right now. CBS 4's Ty Russell has details.
It has been 5 months since the most vulnerable in Florida nursing homes have been able to see a loved one in person. Governor Ron DeSantis has announced he's lifting the ban on visits.
I get very emotional thinking about them getting to reunite with their families, them getting to touch each other and hold each other's hand and hug each other.
Michelle Branham is with the Alzheimer's Association. She sits on the nursing home task force as a voice for 60% of long-term care residents who are those with dementia or Alzheimer's related illnesses.
They just would like to be able to say goodbye or to hug somebody. So it's difficult to think that some of our actions may have prevented.
A facility cannot open to visitors until 2 weeks of no new cases among workers and residents. Children are not allowed, but adult relatives can visit 2 at a time while wearing protective gear, and they must pass a virus screening. The head of the task force says more than half of the nursing homes statewide have not had an onset of new cases since the middle of August. A workers' union says the virus is still spreading.
I honestly can't understand how they feel like they can reopen nursing homes when 80% of the nursing homes are still turning up COVID positive patients and staff.
Union leader Denise Allegretti told us over the phone frontline workers in nursing homes should have been on the task force to put the brakes on moving too quickly.
They need to put one of us on the task force to be able to understand our daily lives and what we're going through.
That's Blanche Norwood, who has been a caregiver for 45 years. She is concerned because there are still thousands of cases statewide. The most recent report as of August 30th shows 3,500 nursing home residents were positive. That's 2.5% of all residents. 3,800 staff were positive, which is less than 2% of the total. Norwood is now concerned if she and her residents will be safe.
At different periods of time, we have not had enough PPE equipment.
Several caregivers are meeting up in Southwest Miami-Dade tomorrow to protest about pay and protective gear. In the meantime, as for this long-term care facility behind me, Jackson Health says patient safety is a top priority, and it is working with the state on the new rules. In Miami, I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.